Me no afraid of you neither. Alright, so take them out.
Boy, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
Yo, you have some dangerous people in the world here, you know. Yo, the man a thief and it's like him a argue when him are the one who get catch doing something wrong. Yo, that man here go in a store and it's like him go to carry out the whole store in him clothes. People, who are going to check out that video? Who are going to say Jado star? So him get accosted by a Jamaican. Now the Jamaican sound like him is an employee at the store and thing. You see it? But the Jamaican watch him long time and stuff down all kind of things in him clothes, people. And when you see the video, how the can't believe the amount of things where the man carry out. Come and watch it together. Yo, Jado,
take out every blood clot one of them. So take them out. Yo, Wallace. Check out every one of them. No, I'm not scared. I'm not afraid of you neither. Alright, so take them out.
But him not afraid of the man.
That's why you gave them right there. You know what you're do? You think somebody will see you? You know what you're do? That's why I'm here.
Oh, wow.
Don't worry about that. Now you know. I'm not familiar.
I look like Roland.
People like white people can't have a fucking good community. White people. Yeah, but what about our job? What about our job? What about our job?
Get the job like here. Beat the fucking babies out of my system. Beat the babies out of my system.
Let me get it.
Why am I running with? What am I talking about?
There you go.
Get this shit now.
Yo, we look like the man go clean out the whole hygiene section at the store. Oh, we walk out of the store with them pants full of them. No, what are we doing?
You see you come.
The man get all soap powder.
I gotta watch the phone.
No, man, it's good inside here.
You are the whole store. The man look like he did a traffic carry out people.
Stay right there.
That's it.
Alright.
And the mouth so hard too. That's the thing we never. The man mouth hard. Like say him never did do something wrong. You got the people them store got thief. And I carry out the whole store with you. Cause I know one item and a two item and the whole store I carry out it up. And the mouth hard but I'm not afraid of you. Hey? Yo, you have some cool teeth in that really bad. But you're not saying that's stealing, right? See? But you see if I did food into that thief, we could have understand and say, well, alright then, you know, probably him hungry and he want something to eat and him not no money. Although him should have got ask feet, right? But look on the items them with my teeth. Now obviously, I sell him and go sell them there, you know, cause I know 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 is a whole store. The man look like he back around with him. So obviously I sell him and go sell them. You understand? If you do whatever with the money, you know, yo, store owners, continue to be vigilant, yeah, because trust me, if you ever turn your head for too long, your whole store gone. Subscribe, hit the like button. I'm out until the next video. See it? Unstoppable.
Boy, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.